Hello? Hi, I'm in an apartment. I don't feel safe. I'm in a domestic abuse situation. 912 Lakeshore Drive. 912 Lakeshore Drive. It's a house. I have a daughter. I have an 18-month-old daughter. I'm with her dad and his mom. I feel threatened. I don't feel safe here.
Okay. Do you have a problem with the father?
No, more like the mom. The father's mom.
No, the father's mother.
Yeah, she needs to leave. I don't feel safe in this apartment. I'm not gonna leave. I'm not going to go anywhere because I don't have anywhere to go with my baby, and I need to stay in this apartment. She needs to leave.
How long have you for me?
The child's father's mom.
Where come on?
Thank you.
Ngozi.
Ngozi Azami. I beg of me, I call you.
Oh yeah. We get problem for house. I don't call 911. Call Ngozi. Yeah, call Ngozi or call lawyer. Call Onyeku. Onyeku. Yeah, call Ngozi. Yeah. See, Bia. Põe bom. Jamero mão. Porque os ó. Porque. O ano. Não de bom. Porque os ó.
She can't go to
Porque
that
os
room.
ó. Porque os ó.
Go to that room. This
Porque
is
os
my
ó.
room. Why would she go to that room? Why would she go to that room? This is my room. Why would she go to that room? Why would she go to that room? You want to stay in this room? Stay in the room. You went about telling people about my mother in Nigeria. Telling them that I brought her here. You went about telling people about my mother.
Baby.
I don't leave the place.
Porque os ó.
Telling people about my mom in Nigeria. Like, who gave you the right to do that?
Porque os ó. Baby. Baby.
She will have to push me to get through the door, Andrew.
Please leave your message for 24.
Andrew, stop
I don't touch him. I don't touch him. I don't touch him. I don't touch him. My hands are up. 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 I didn't touch her. My hands are up. My hands are up. I didn't touch her. My hands are up.
With me, I'm not you.
My hands are up. I didn't touch her.
She's not dealing with
My hands are up. I didn't touch her.
Andrew.
Okay, pass. My hands are up. I didn't touch her.
She's not going anywhere.
My hands are up.
When you come here, you're going to go and open the door and they'll come.
My hands are up.
I'm not going anywhere.
My hands are up.
Tell me why she called Nigeria to talk about my mother.
Who did she call? My hands are up. My hands are up. My hands are
Hello,
up.
ma. Ma, Andrew is beating me up in this house. I
Thank you, Lord.
For him.
Thank you, Lord. Go, back it. Thank you, Lord. My hands are up. I have everything on video.
Let me
Pass. My hands are up. My hands are up.
Let me pass.
My hands are
I
up.
am not, if you knew that, I would kneel down.
My hands
you
are
need
up.
To tell me why you called people in Nigeria to discuss my mother.
Who did she call?
Excuse me, leave her.
My hands are up. I have to video it. My hands are up.
Let me pass, please.
My hands are up.
Let me pass.
My hands are up. My hands are up.
Let me pass. Please, let me pass. You want to pick me up?
My hands are up. Leave her. Leave her. My hands are up. The door's open. Thank God. Hands are up. My hands are up. I have everything on video. I didn't touch her. I didn't touch her. I have video going on. I didn't touch her. She started harassing my mother. She has been insulting my mother. Look at my mother. She barricaded my mother. Iyam is 67 years old. This girl started insulting my mother and barricaded my mother. This is my house. My house. My mom will not see anywhere. Iyam will not see anywhere. Like, I'm not married to you. You're not my wife. You're not my wife. You're my baby mother. You're not my wife. This is my house. This is my house. This is my house. It's my house. I'm not married to you. You're going to leave. You're going to leave. Where? I have a video. Where?
Come down here. Calm down.
Hi, officer.
Calm down. Everybody